we're in the living room with it now, and it might be a little bit loud in here because we have the fan on. But yes, sorry, I had to. This cup is actually from Mainstay as well, and it was $1. This was $1. I've been wasting my money on styrofoam cups for months. Okay, probably over a year now. This was $1. I don't know why I didn't look it up, but yeah. My creamer that I'm using is the International Delights Love is Blind Strawberry Chocolate Covered Strawberries. Not that great, but it's what I have. So good. So I'm out the shower now. I feel really good. I feel really good. Where's my lotion? Hold on. I'm going to be putting a wig on my head, so I'm going to show you a little bit of that process. But I just got out the shower. I'm wearing just a basic camisole black dress. It's a dress. I'll link this on my Walmart storefront as well. But it's just a basic black camisole. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Nice and basic. So the lotion that I'm going to be using, the Quake Beauty, they said it, not me. Compared to Jergens Original Scent Lotion, the classic scent with cherry almond fragrance. This is like, dupe, please, dupe. No, this is it. You can take it over. How about you just go ahead and trademark that? Okay, you did a fabulous job. I love this lotion so much. It's nice, affordable. The whole Quake Beauty brand is so affordable. I love it so much. I love Walmart. We're gonna be moving soon, and I honestly really want to deck out the entire house with Walmart brand stuff, like Walmart branded stuff. Because I don't know if you know this, but Walmart has a ton of brands. Not just the ones that we're familiar with, like Great Value, Sam's Choice, Parents' Choice, Better Goods, or Better Home. You know, like we're used to a couple of them, right? Like, yeah, but they have quite a lot. So I really want to explore more of Walmart's brands this year and see what they have going on, because Walmart is really like a silent takeover. You know what I mean? Walmart is really out here, especially with the food. I should have did a food review, but I will next month. They have some really great stuff there. They have a new premium food line, some great stuff. So I'll go ahead and put that on my storefront as well. I'm gonna deck out my storefront, you'll see. But yeah, so I love it. I smell great. Just waiting for them to come out with a fragrance or a body splash. Be quiet. I need to get my nails. It's like I either want to get my nails taken off or I want to get them redone. I kind of want to get them redone, so that's why I'm waiting. But this is so tacky. Like, this is so tacky. I need to get them done. I don't know. I have nail stuff. I should do it myself. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to just put my hair straight down the middle in 2 little buns and then just tie it in the back. When I got out the shower, I washed out the shampoo, but I put in the conditioner and I left a little bit in. I wanted like a little leave-in conditioner type of effect. I'm doing the 2 braids because later this week I want to deep condition my hair. I have this stand-up hooded dryer from Red by Kiss, so I'm going to be using that for the first time actually. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get this into a ponytail as soon as I like. I'm not putting any product on my hair. I'm not too sure what I should be putting on my hair. So I'm not gonna put anything on it right now. And remember my bathroom decluttering video? I don't know if you saw, but I had a whole bunch of Equate razors. Yeah, I used that razor today. Next to me, I have a couple items that I'm gonna be reviewing coming up. I think you'll really like these things. There's some really nice kids products that I'm reviewing. I'm excited about that. These are just some basic black scrunchies that I got. These are from Red by Kiss. I was using this to part my hair. I like that end. I'm using this to detangle. It's dirty. Don't worry about that. Have a seat, please. I've worn my curly wig like at all. I don't know why I'm nervous to wear it. So we're gonna try to figure out how to wear it right now. But I don't know. I don't know if it's because of the way I look or the feel of it. Honestly, I was that kid that was kind of like afraid. I'm loving my hair. I'm loving these curls. So I definitely got to figure out my hair. But yeah, that's why we're gonna get under that dryer. Very nice. I like that so much. Okay, but I need to cut this, don't I? Help me out in the comments, please. Do I need to trim my hair? But I was that girl that was low-key like afraid of wigs. So the fact that I'm wearing them now, and this is like my 5th wig that I've ever had since being an adult, it's actually pretty funny to me. But this one in particular, this curly head one, I'm a little afraid of her. I'm not gonna front. I made a video like last year or maybe the year before, like kind of talking about how I wasn't gonna wear wigs anymore. I thought about it, and it's all about intention, you know, and that's really what a lot of the world itself is gonna start coming down to, and what it is coming down to, and what it is, you know. Just, it's all about your intentions. My intentions are not malicious or bad or anything when I'm putting on the wigs. I'm just wanting to look more presentable than I do at that very moment, and I feel confident, more confident when I have it on. So that's my reasoning. So as long as my intention is good, I'm gonna continue to wear the wigs. But as you see, okay, because 7, 8 years ago, she was like this. I thought 7, 8 years ago, your girl was like this, okay? Just a little pineapple at the top. But yes. So let me see. I'm gonna use the third one and put these in the back like that. That way you can go like this. Don't have my bobby pins right now. Go ahead and put this on my head. Not me having a hole in it. Okay. But yeah. So there we go with that. Okay. And remember, this wig is from GORGIUS. And I also think that it's just a little bit too big for my head, if I'm being honest. But let's try to figure this out together. And yes, I still have that Christmas stuff up. I don't know why. We'll take it down. Here's the wig. She's super fluffy. She's still cute. She's still active because she has not been used. But I do have like a water condition mix spray that I'm gonna spray on it. I don't want to spray it on myself. Spray. All right. Don't brush it. Don't brush it. It's curly hair. Don't brush it. I don't know. Please in the comments below. Please help me, please. This girl does not know what she's doing, y'all. I really don't. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest with you. This is my first time. That other one, I don't glue it down. I just put a headband on it. I should have got a headband wig, to be honest. So I'm probably gonna get one, but so I'm gonna put this on my head now. And I like this wig because it has clips. The other one doesn't. At the same time, I feel like that's probably what the problem is. I feel like this is too tight. So I'm gonna try not putting the clip. What if I like cut it a little bit? Can I cut the sides or something? Alright, would you see what I mean? Like, she's cute. She's not a sheep. It's cute, but it's not like really doing the thing that I need it to do, which is flat. It might be my fault. It might be the video. Yes, I turned it to the side, so I'm gonna put on a headband anyway, because maybe that will like make it look better. I don't know. You let me know. Maybe I need some makeup. What do I need to do? I've never looked like this before, so maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Like, you know what I mean? Like, moms, wives, like, come on, help me out. Am I supposed to look like this? That's my question. I need makeup, so we need to do makeup decluttering. So, we'll see. I just don't want to look like not myself, you know? But I guess that's the point. Okay, and like, from here, what do I do? You know? Like, okay, play with the whole thing. I know somebody's fussing at me through the screen right now. Like, dude, fix it up. Fix it, spray. Sort of what we're working with at the end of all of this. I'm not too sure how this hair is supposed to go, but for now, this is what we have. Hello, I need to put on some earrings, or something. I have some right here, and I got these like 2-3 years ago from Walmart actually, and I doubt that I could find them online now. I will try my best. But yeah, thank you guys so much for spending some time with me and just seeing my very affordable and simple like routine. That's my go-to routine. Equate products, Equate Beauty, that entire line is just wonderful. The products are literally, I don't like saying the DUPES word, but like they're very comparable to a lot of your favorite products, a lot of my favorite products. And like I said, especially with that body scrub, please pick that up for real. I'm gonna pick up every single one, and I'll bring you guys with me when I do so. But yeah, so this is where we are at the end of the day. We are going to just live, go through the rest of the day and live and have a wonderful day. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me and just trying to help me find this balance, find this new me, this postpartum confidence, just rebuilding and regaining my confidence. It's not easy, but thank you so much for being a part of this journey. I love you all so much. And like stated, I will have everything linked in my Walmart creator storefront. So I'll link my Walmart creator store in my bio, on the link in my bio on my channel, as well as I'll put it in the description. I will also tag a lot of the products on this actual video, but I will have it in a section on my Walmart creator storefront, as well as tons of other things, including all of the food that we use, recipes that are on my YouTube channel right now. All of those food items, so that you can get all of the ingredients for the recipes, will be on my Walmart creator storefront. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know one thing that you like to do to have like some self-care time. Like what's something that helps you to just wind down, slow down, whether it's music, a glass of wine, whatever the case is, listening to a podcast, watching a movie. Let me know exactly what that is in the comments, because I would love to add some more things to my self-care routine. So I love you all so much. Thank you again. God bless you.